When a machine goes down, every minute matters. You don't have time to second-guess what you need or chase solutions across multiple suppliers. You need to fix the problem and get operations back on track. That's where Lawson comes in. Our on-site experts come right to you and help find the right products and solutions, keep inventory in stock, and your crew moving. We solve your challenges and simplify your choices, helping reduce downtime across your operation. That means fewer disruptions and more consistency where it counts. From fasteners and cutting tools to hydraulics and shop chemicals, whatever the job calls for, it's all in one place. Order through a Lawson rep, our customer service team, or online. Lawson, before you need it. Call or click to get started today.